Hello pioneers! Exciting news is here from Pi News World. Today's topic could change everything for Pi Network. Are you ready to discover what it means for our future? Pi Network may now be in the Digital Token Identifier Foundation Registry. This signifies compliance with the ISO 24165 Digital Token Identification Standard. This could greatly influence how Pi Network is viewed globally. First, Pi Network isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's a movement focused on compliance, security, and community building. The core team has taken a methodical approach, ensuring a strong foundation for future growth. Many skeptics doubted this strategy. However, loyal supporters see it differently. They believe that progress takes patience, building trust and infrastructure over time. Let's explore the Digital Token Identifier Foundation, or DTIF. This organization implements ISO 24165. It provides unique identifiers for digital assets. Think of it as a universal language for cryptocurrencies. Just like companies have registration numbers, digital assets need identifiers. This ensures all parties can reliably recognize the asset. DTIF has now reportedly issued a unique identifier for Pi Network. The identifier appears to be associated with Pi Network's own details in their MyCA white paper. This creates a connection between regulatory documentation and an internationally recognized standard. Many in the community are thrilled. But remember, receiving an identifier doesn't guarantee anything immediately. It doesn't ensure exchange listings or market prices. What it does is lay groundwork. It enables financial institutions to categorize digital assets accurately. So, why is this crucial? Well, banks and exchanges need reliable identifiers. Without them, confusion could arise with similar-sounding tokens. ISO 24165 aims to prevent that. Moreover, this news coincides with discussions regarding the MyCA white paper. MyCA outlines vital regulatory measures within Europe. By aligning with these standards, Pi Network enhances transparency and credibility. However, don't jump to conclusions. A DTIF registry entry alone doesn't lead to instant exchange listings or bank support. Each institution has its own compliance measures and business investments to consider. As longtime pioneers know, Pi Network has persistently focused on fundamental aspects. This includes wallet technology, KYC processes, and merchant engagement. Each element strengthens the entire network. Supporters argue this slow-paced growth is strategic. They believe the core team's choices highlight a long-term vision. Critics may still question the pace, and that's okay. Only time will reveal the full impact. As always, verify the details you read. Official sources matter. Stay clear of making investment decisions based solely on rumors or social media buzz. Today's insights showcase Pi Network's dedication to groundwork and community. If you find this analysis beneficial, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more updates on Pi's journey. Join the conversation in the comments below. Do you think this DTIF milestone boosts institutional recognition for Pi Network? Or should we exercise caution before drawing conclusions? Your opinion matters here at Pi News World. Until next time, stay informed and keep believing in innovation. Thank you for tuning in.